Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and it's just freaking lovely. Seriously, we got to talk. A lot of stuff going on, and I want to cover something that happened yesterday, just about at the market close, and it'll put a little light on why this market sold off yesterday. I didn't even know about it. It came out about the same time I did my post-market wrap-up. So let's start off, I guess, with the date. Okay, so it is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Right now, as I am doing this video blog, stocks are set for a higher open across the board. Yesterday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 390 points. Well, we're going to make about 300 of that up right at the open. Okay, so let's talk about what caused this market to sell off yesterday. I couldn't put it together towards the end of the day. Then again, this news came out. So it's being predicted that U.S. gross domestic product moving forward could fall by nearly 40%. The market didn't like that initially. But as I said in the video I did yesterday, we got two huge pieces of news for this market. Number one, we found out that the Fed is going to be, guess what? Giving the banks more capital to do what with? I guess buy assets. And then we find out that President Trump is signing sweeping deregulation for Wall Street. Free for all. Free for all. I said in that video, if I were a fund manager or worked at a Wall Street bank, I'd be going, this is going to be great for me. And it is. It is. That's exactly how it's going to play out. We also found out in this new government that we have here in America, in their effort to borrow more, well, they're going to be issuing a 20-year bond. The first time they're doing this since the 80s, so many decades. So again, more debt, more borrowing, making the Fed stronger. They're fulfilling their end game, their destiny right before our eyes. America is done. The old world America, dead and buried. The new America, in your face. That's where we're at. So just be ready for it. I mean, that's it. That's where we are. So let's talk about a few other assets. Cryptocurrencies are getting bid higher slightly. Gold and silver are about flat. Crude oil getting bid higher yet again, nearing $33 a barrel, 32 and change. The 10-year yield higher again. Again, look, the news we got yesterday really should have been enough to push this stock market higher. Between the president signing new deregulation for Wall Street, between the banks getting more cash from the Federal Reserve, as much as they could possibly want, between members of Congress calling for more debt. Oh no, we need more Federal Reserve. What can you do? And then Jay Powell was like, well, whatever you need, you got it. Because they want it all. The Fed wants all the debt, period. They want to buy it all. They're taking over the freaking world. There's no other way to put this, people. I don't know another way to say it. In this environment, doesn't matter what happens in our economy. We're dead in the water. Millions, tens of millions losing their jobs. Millions more losing their jobs. There's going to be no V-shaped recovery in this economy. It can't happen. It cannot happen. Period. The end. But again, you got to be lied to on an epic scale by everybody. The politicians, the president on the way, all the way down. They must keep you in some kind of an induced, brainwashed, dumbed down state. That's their goal. But again, let's put this together. Yesterday, the market sold off. Now we know why. Our prediction that U.S. GDP is going to fall by nearly 40%. Market didn't like hearing that. However, the scenario is simple. The Fed's promising trillions of dollars more in debt. The president's signing deregulation for Wall Street. This is a free-for-all for Wall Street. They're loving it. Are you kidding me? That's the truth. All right, look, with regard to other assets, I covered it. You know what to do. Good. Let them play their games with metals. We're going to keep stacking. We're going to buy cryptocurrencies. You need to be in a non-government issued mode of transaction, period, the end. You know that. And with regard to cryptos, I mean, even if you can never transact in them, which of course you can, they're massively suppressed in my view. Even Bitcoin nearing 10 grand, it's going much higher from here. So are the major cryptocurrencies. With regard to metals, the best investment in the face of the earth, in my view, still remains physical silver. And this market is a game. It's being played, and all the pawns are in place here. You got a president who is fixated on pushing it higher. Signing deregulation for Wall Street is going to allow Wall Street to run amok, and they're going to make risky bets in this market, and that's going to propel stocks higher. And they're not even going to be gambling with their own money, although the Fed's giving them trillions. It's going to be your money. You understand? You're on the hook for it, not the banks. What a concept. All right, this guy here loves you a lot. Please share the video. I'll see you later.